This is Karen Ranzi. I'm going to talk with you about 3 lies about vegan protein. It's thought that people who follow a vegan lifestyle don't get enough protein, but this is not true. This is a myth, and I'm going to talk about 3 of those myths I want to respond to. Number 1 is that there's little to no protein in vegan plant food. But the truth is that there is protein in all plant food. Even a banana has 5% complete protein. A mango has 8 essential amino acids. We are not lacking in protein. There are many foods that are loaded with protein. I found out that growing sprouts, not only are they very anti-cancer, they are also excellent, high quality protein sources. So you can get protein from so many plant foods. And they don't even need to be combined properly. And that's number 2. I used to think that I needed to combine plant foods in a certain way to get the protein that I needed. For example, I thought rice and beans were a good combination for protein. Later, the author of the book Diet for a Small Planet, Frances Moore Lapay, who wrote that we needed to have combined protein sources in the plant world, she came back and said that wasn't true, that we do not need to combine our proteins. Every plant food has some high quality protein, no matter what that plant food is. Salads have often been thought of as just empty, watery nutrition, something to add on in a small amount. Actually, you should be eating a salad as a main meal because they are so micronutrient dense. It's often thought that salad greens have little to no protein. But are you aware that leafy greens like spinach is loaded with protein, 49% protein by calorie. Kale is 45% protein, and the dark leafy lettuces like romaine lettuce, about 34% in protein. So we want to have all of these wonderful protein sources. Protein from animal food stresses our organs, stresses the liver and the kidneys especially, and is hard to digest. Very often, all of this protein craze that we're recommended all of this protein to eat, it is way too much for the human body to handle. Did you know that you can even be getting too much protein on a vegan diet? Rethink your protein position now, because plant proteins have high biological quality protein that is easier to digest, easier for the body to absorb. And that's the way that we want to live our life, with high quality plant food. And those are just 3 of the many lies that we have been told about not getting enough protein on a vegan diet. Follow me on Instagram at Super Healthy Raw and check out my websites feelfabulouswithfood.com and superhealthychildren.com. And you can contact me there if you have any questions or are interested in health coaching or becoming a vegan coach. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.